Barai hauba kwa koboko hobo mwalinda Mwananchi niko bono baesokirie kurase county ya Bungoma na gusangana bari kyamangana sibaburi ebitabo by'Oborendi konekia nkobaenekeria kere Oborendi busio gwetaro yabo ensemo ya county ya HOMABAY ewe erobeire konekiwa EWIKENDI.
We want the IG to ensure that peace is everywhere in this country. There is no part of this country that's not governable. So Linda Mwananchi is going to HOMABAY. We've had a lot of issues coming up. An elected leader saying that if he sees you with a t-shirt of Linda Mwananchi, will deal with you and destroy that t-shirt and deal with you properly. That person belongs to the jail.
Nilisikia marafiki wakisema coalitions, sijui kwenda Azimio, kwenda nini. As Linda Mwananchi, we are not doing any coalition now. We are running our affairs as Linda Mwananchi. Maneno ya coalition ni next year. And we want to agree with Rigathi Gachagua. Watu waende field wafanye kazi. Sisi hatuna time.
And we are giving you today and tomorrow to release for us our name Linda Mwananchi. Or else we shall call the Mwananchi themselves, those Linda Mwananchi, the Mwananchi, to come and demand their name. It's our name. You cannot backdate later to 2024. By 2024, there was nothing like